Hi, Andre here. Another product has seen light today. Yes, the software has been released and I'm really excited about it because I think it's something that you may use in your online business and you can benefit from this. But before I show you the demo, I really want you to check out the link and the bonuses I've put together if you grab this product via my link. So once you've done that, let's move on. Check out the demo. It's something that you will really find interesting and useful in your business.
In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the pre-created campaign. This is the campaign that comes with the free product that you can give away to get people on to the money page where they can see the offers, products and services. Okay, so we've set this up so it is as simple as possible. So the campaign will be found under campaign. Okay. But before we do this, the first step we want to do is to set up the autoresponder. Now, we can click on this top right-hand side menu button where it says integrations. We can click there and you'll see that there's the ability to connect into a variety of APIs, which are essentially, automated connections to different autoresponders. So if you have one of these autoresponders, you can follow the process that I'm just about to talk about. If you have another autoresponder, don't worry, we can set it up once we go into the campaign. So what you'll see is here, if you're going to go with one of these, you can click on the connect button and you go through a variety of steps here to get an authorization code. Likewise, here we go through some processes. Some of them are slightly different, so you can see this one wants 2 different codes. So you can go through these steps that are described there. You'll get these codes, you'll paste them in there, and you'll set it up to connect it in. Same thing here. So there's a variety of different steps for different services because these service providers have set up their tech slightly differently. Okay. So once you've done that, you connected through, you're going to be able to go to the campaign. And you're going to be able to click on the edit button and you're going to be able to scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says integrations, and here you're going to be able to choose whatever one that you've set up, okay, and then select the list within your account. Alternatively, you can click on raw HTML form and you can create a form with any autoresponder pasted in there, okay. The next thing we need to do is literally just to put in affiliate links for the products, and what you'll notice is that we've got this one here, training button URL, so you'll have an affiliate link for this product, but then we've also got these services here with the optional videos where the buttons where you can paste in some different codes, some different URLs. Now, beneath this video there will be a series of different products and services which you can utilize with this page, and also to mix and match, change it up, because in the supplementary video that's beneath this video, we're going to show you how you can go through the whole process of creating these pages from scratch using the system. Okay, and therefore you can utilize a whole range of different products and services. Okay, so once you've completed doing your links, you click the save changes and that will be hard coded, and that will take you back to the campaign section where you can take a look at what you have created.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed the demo and have seen the benefits of this product. You don't want to miss this, and you don't want to miss this amazing bonus that comes with this product. And all you need to do is to go to the description link below, click on the link and grab it via that link, and you will get all these bonuses. Furthermore, I would like you to like this, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. By that way, you won't miss out on any future videos and the amazing bonuses that will come down your way. Thank you.